Hello and welcome to today's Reel BLITZ tutorial. I'm so thrilled. Today we're going to talk about the key to your reels, and that is having fun. I absolutely love lip syncing to songs that fully inspire and light me up. So I wanted to share with you, I have just filmed this reel and I just feel amazing. So I love choosing some of these reels to just add in a bit of fun.
So be careful of that.
When I realized the power of a singing reel, it just blew me away. So you really do want to, in your reel strategy, to have some reels that are authority and knowledge building, and others that are just you showing up as your brand in front of your brand. And who doesn't love to listen to someone sing? So I want to challenge you to do a reel today from a song that really lights you up. Now, I absolutely love listening to the songs, getting used to the timing, taking them a few times, playing with the camera. But these are all skills that are going to help you in filming your courses, showing up confident in front of your clients. These are all necessary skills. And honestly, I think as women, we can give ourselves a bit of permission slip to turn up looking good. The days are gone of showing up on social media or reels very casually. Honestly, I feel it's about getting connection and as many eyeballs on your reel as possible. And hey, why not look good? Why not feel amazing? Why not feel sexy and glamorous on your reels? It's only going to do you better on your insights and your Instagram. So that's one of my keys is I always throw in a beautiful singing reel. Yes, the first few times you might feel silly, but if you get the timing right, these reels go viral, okay? Not many reels are going to go viral of you speaking about your value to your audience. So just know you do have to mix up the content. There is a strategy of having fun and social, because that's why people are on social media, is to have a bit of fun. It's Friday, so this is perfect. Weekend, again, lifestyle reels are the best. So now I'm talking about placement of when you post your reels. So have some fun. Have at least three reels for fun times, for events and for celebrations and life, and just show up. Not every reel has to be serious. Enjoy, and I look forward to seeing all your beautiful reels.